Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a game-changing marketing platform that's all about boosting your store's revenue, VanChat. If you're a merchant looking to enhance customer interaction and increase sales, stick around because this could be a perfect solution for you. So what exactly is VanChat? Simply put, VanChat integrates a ChatGPT-powered AI chatbot into your online store. This smart chatbot interacts with your customers just like a human, answering their product queries and giving personalized recommendations, all in the same language your customers use. Imagine this: a customer visits your store looking for a specific product. They have a few questions. Instead of waiting for a customer service rep, they get immediate, accurate responses from the VanChat AI chatbot, making their shopping experience smooth and efficient. VanChat understands the importance of accuracy in customer interactions, so it ensures that every response is relevant and helpful. But VanChat doesn't stop at just chatting. It's packed with features designed to increase your revenue and reduce those annoying drop carts. First up, sales pop-ups. These are great for capturing attention and nudging customers towards making a purchase. Whether it's a special offer, a discount code, or a limited time deal, these pop-ups can make a real difference. They're fully customizable, so you can tailor them to fit your brand and target audience. Next, we have lead collection. VanChat helps you capture potential customers' information through engaging forms and calls to action, which you can use for future marketing campaigns. Building a solid customer base has never been easier. VanChat also offers robust analytics. You'll get insights into customer behavior, preferences, and shopping patterns. This data is invaluable for tailoring your marketing strategies and improving customer satisfaction. With real-time analytics, you can make data-driven decisions and optimize your store's performance. One of the standout features of VanChat is its ability to learn and adapt. The AI chatbot continuously learns from customer interactions, becoming smarter and more efficient over time. This means it can provide even more personalized recommendations and anticipate customer needs, enhancing the shopping experience. Automation is another key feature of VanChat. From automated greetings to follow-up messages, VanChat takes care of the small tasks so you can focus on growing your business. Imagine setting up automated workflows that handle customer inquiries, process orders, and even send out thank you messages after a purchase, all without lifting a finger. Proactive reminders are another powerful tool in VanChat's arsenal. If a customer has left items in their cart or hasn't completed a purchase, VanChat can send friendly reminders to encourage them to return and complete their order. This can significantly reduce cart abandonment rates and increase sales. And finally, dynamic product updates. VanChat ensures that any changes you make to your products, like price updates, new arrivals, or out-of-stock notifications, are immediately reflected in the chatbot's responses. This way, customers always get the most accurate and up-to-date information, building trust and reliability. With these features, VanChat is not just a chatbot. It's a complete marketing platform. It helps you engage customers, boost sales, automate processes, and stay ahead of the competition. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, VanChat can be tailored to fit your specific needs. So, if you're ready to take your store's customer service and sales to the next level, check out vanchat.io. The future of e-commerce is here, and it's powered by AI. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more tips and tools to grow your business. See you in the next video.